Welcome to Healthy Natural Remedies. It is believed that the lucky bamboo plays an important role in Feng Shui and Vastu Shastra. Lucky bamboo attracts and enhances the flow of Kai or positive energy. The lucky bamboo plant is easy to care for and grows well in indirect sunlight. Many people think that it's a real bamboo plant, but it is a type of tropical water lily called Racina cendriana. The lucky bamboo plant is one of the most popular Feng Shui cures said to bring good luck and prosperity to the place where it is grown. It is also known to enhance the flow of positive energy in the home and office when placed in the right direction. The lucky bamboo is associated with all 5 elements significant to practicing Feng Shui. These 5 elements as per Feng Shui include earth, fire, metal, water and wood. It is known to create the sense of balance and safety in life. You should know the exact location to place each Feng Shui element for best positive results. Lucky bamboo can be used for curing a wide range of problems, but you have to place it in the most appropriate directions. So let's see how to use lucky bamboo for happy life. The bamboo plant is associated with Lord Krishna. Worshipping it ensures blessings of Lord Krishna. Use pebbles in the container to denote earth. Tie red band to denote fire. Put a coin to denote metal. Fill in with water and the plant itself denotes wood. As per Vastu, the ideal directions to place lucky bamboo are east or southeast. The eastern direction represents family, so it is best to place the plant here. The southeast direction denotes wealth area, so in order to activate positive energy and wealth, place the plant in the southeast direction. Always buy healthy bamboo stems that are in a rich shade of green. Use of yellow or dark green bamboo stems is strictly prohibited in Vastu. Buy the plant with a transparent container which allows you to see the roots. The plant should represent all 5 elements such as earth, fire, metal, water and wood. Always use filtered water. Do not keep the plant in direct sunlight. Never forget to cut out the yellow leaves to invite a good Vastu into life. If you follow all these tips, you can certainly bring prosperity and happiness. Usually we find the lucky bamboos bunched or woven together and placed in a container, while each number is associated with a particular luck level. The more the number of stalks and the greater is the blessing it can get for the home. When you have a bamboo plant, you need to understand the right amount that you need to display to reap maximum benefits. The type of luck that you will receive depends on the number of stalks. direct sunlight and pure water, the lucky bamboo plant can survive for nearly a decade. Bring more happiness, prosperity, and wealth in your house by growing lucky bamboo plants and keeping them in the right direction. That is all for today. If you like the video, please hit like button and subscribe to our channel and hit bell icon and share this video with your friends. Stay healthy, stay fit. God bless you.